Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This is the first video about this project, one of many. It's a 28 or 29 Ford Model A Tudor. It's one of many projects that I have going on amidst moving. Pretty rough car, but I'll be doing a series on it, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that jazz. Should be a fun journey. Looks like somebody cut the floor out, probably to channel it. Someone already chopped it, which is the most important part of this project. I wanted to chop two-door, but I didn't really want to chop one because I'm kind of a purist. It looks like it's got about a 3.5-inch chop. I've already got a windshield frame for it, and I got these two panels that go right here above the doors. Looks like I got a lot of sheet metal fabrication to do. A lot of parts hunting. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts, you're welcome to leave them in the comments. Have a good one.